Begin by locking the wheel by lowering the switch. Next, insert the wheel in the frame socket. Keep the wheel in the locked position and turn the wheel to the right. This will expand the spacer of the wheel's rod, securing it in place. Once secure, free the wheel by lowering the locking switch. Thank you for purchasing your Shor-Line cage bank. Since 1927, Shor-Line has prided itself on its quality and customer service. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call us at 1-800-444-1579.